this gets us to our homepage. So there are two types of jobs that I want to tell you about really quickly. There are the jobs that you can post right over here under job postings. And then there's one over here under on campus interviews, which is right here where it says create job posting. Now, if you are coming on campus to actually have an interview with our students in one of our interview rooms here in Montgomery Hall, then you're going to click the on campus interviews button. Otherwise, if you're just posting a job with us that'll be on in connections for students to see and to apply, you're going to click over here under job postings. Now, because I've never posted a job before, this is going to be completely blank. So I'm going to click post a job. And it's going to ask you, do you want to post here at MSU or do you want to post at multiple schools? And we're going to post here at MSU. Now, we're automatically in the job postings registration form. So this is the form. So the first thing it's going to ask you is, do you want to copy an existing position? So if you are a regular in the system and you have jobs that you keep posting, maybe it's for cashier, maybe it's for a marketing intern, maybe it's for business manager, whatever it may be. If you're constantly having to hire for that same position, you can always pull from an archived list of positions. So for me, this is my first one, and it happens to be that my position type I'm going to do is going to be internship. If you're a campus department who's looking to post on campus jobs, you can click this button. If you have a co-op program, wherever you may be, you can click co-op. If you're looking for full-time employment, full-time. So any type of position that you're looking for, you can select here. In this case, again, I'm going to do internships. Now, here's where you put your job title. I'm going to come back to it because I'm going to copy it from the actual job description itself. So I have my job description saved in Word, already selected and ready to copy. So I've just selected all and copied. I'm going to drop it right here into this job description area. And I want to show you really quickly how easy it is to jazz this up a bit. So you can click bold here. Maybe you're trying to kind of have some things stand out for students to see specifically. I'm going to show you about bullet points in just a second. Bullet points from Word documents, you see how they come over, but we can fix that really quick with the bullets that they have here for you to use in connections. So I'm going to just select these and hit the bullets, and look at there, ready to go. I'm going to do the same thing here, but because it's in paragraph form, it may do something a little funny, but we're just going to backspace and return, and see how those bullets just work right out for us. So I'm going to get rid of these real quick because, again, they don't come over correctly. I'm going to hit bullets. Okay, and so our job description looking good. That's the one we're going to use. Now, I'm going to use this title right here, and I'm going to copy and paste it for my title. That way I know it's consistent with the actual job description. So now we scroll down and we ask you, so how do you want to receive resumes from students? There are a couple ways that you can do that. The ways that we recommend is to select email and to accumulate online. And here's why. Email is going to go directly to the email address right here that is defaulted in with your account. Okay. Accumulate online will mean you will also collect those same resumes actually right here within connections. And the reason we say that is because, let's say for some reason your emails are not accepting the resumes from students. Maybe they're going to spam, maybe they're going to junk mail, and you're not getting them. So if you reach out to us, if you've selected accumulate online, we actually have a record as well, because we can pull it up on our end to see who's applied for your position. So we suggest doing both. Or let's say you don't want to do that and you have a particular career site that they need to go to apply for this position. You can click other and you can type that URL right here for them to go and upload their resume. So there's those options. But since we're doing a general one, I'm going to check email, accumulate online. I'm going to remove that. So additional documents. So outside of your resume, what are the things that you need your students to provide? Most of the times you're going to need a cover letter. If you need an unofficial transcript, you can check this. Or if there are other specific documents that you may need, you can select this button and then tell them what that is here. For example, if you're in a graphic design firm that wants to see an electronic portfolio, maybe you want to see some work, you can add that here. Maybe you say, please attach PDFs of work. Please attach a PDF document of your portfolio. You have those options to type that information in this box. Now, if you would like students to have specific information from you to reach out to you, you can click this box. It'll default the information that you have within your account. And you can always customize this. That way, whatever you want the students to see, they actually see. Maybe you just want them to see your name and this email address. Well, you can do that. If the box isn't checked, none of that's important. So let's think about how long do you want your job to post. We recommend 60 days at least, but we understand there are times that you need a job to run a shorter bit of time. Feel free to do that. I just want to show you how you can do that. It's going to start on the day that you're actually uploading it right now, but you can always go out here and extend this. So I'm going to take it out to August, to the end of August. Just know you can always change that. So if you find the perfect candidate midway this time of the ad of the job running, you could always adjust the expiration date and kind of end it because you found who you were looking for. Okay. So GPA, if GPA is not imperative that you have a certain GPA, you can put 0.00. If you do want students to come in with a certain type of GPA, you put whatever that may be here. So I'm just putting 2.0. You can go up as you need to, but just want you to know you have to put something there for GPA. So graduation date range. We want you to be thinking 5 years out. Maybe you're interested in those incoming freshmen and our early sophomores, right? Or maybe you're thinking about some more experienced students. So those are our juniors and our graduating seniors. If that is the case, the date range that we recommend, let's say for this season, the example we're going to use is August of 2023, which gets our soon our graduates who are about to, or those who are about to graduate. And then you can do December of 27, that loops in some of our younger students here on campus. So that kind of gives you a full range of everybody. Then here you can also select what you're looking for as well by class level. Let's say you're looking for freshman all the way to senior. If you hold your shift key down, you can select all of those. And now those are the students that we know you're looking for. So are there desired skills that you're looking for? In my case, I'm looking for a marketing intern. So I might put in marketing as a skill that I'm looking for. And the cool thing about connections is once you do that, it starts giving you some options to choose from. I'm looking for brand marketing. So that's what I'm going to put. And then maybe I'm looking for design skills. I'm just going to put design. Hopefully that'll pull up some, maybe some graphic designers or anybody who's kind of in the design field. And just know you can do up to 10 skills and you can just start typing and you can be able to match what we have in the system. And then for desired majors, if you're a company that, any major can apply to your position, that's great. Then you click all majors. But if you need something more specific, like in my case, I'm looking for some marketing majors. I'm going to go to business and I'm going to go find marketing so I can click marketing. Then I'm going to go back and I may even go to architecture, art, and design because I'm looking for some graphic designers as well. And then I can hit done. So those are the majors that I'm looking for. And those students will get access to this job posting. And then for salary level, I'm just going to put out here something so you can see to put an amount out there. And then for location, put the location where the job will actually be because you can search in connections as students are looking, they can search by location. So I'm going to put start code. And if, let's say, that same job description that we put up here, we can also, let's say you have a PDF of it and you want to attach it to this position, you can do that as well. So down here, I'm going to click add item. And I'm going to go find that PDF that I have in my documents. And I'm going to just hit open. And now that PDF is going to be attached to this job description. Then I hit submit. Now, if anything comes up and there's any errors, maybe I'm missing some fields, maybe some of those required fields I did not complete, it'll tell me when I hit submit. It'll let you know what you're missing. And once you have it out there, you can go back and check to see what jobs you have. So you can go back home. And if you click on job postings, you'll see that now I have my social media marketing internship job that's out there that has not been approved yet. As soon as it is approved, this will be live and out there for our students. And once we get it, we start emailing students who are qualified for that position so that they are aware the position is in connections. If for some reason we have any issues with the job description, we may reach out to you to just clarify some things. But otherwise, that's how you do it, y'all. Thanks.